Though Trump had mad, but people are so intelligent that
Yeah,
they will take care, man. They won't care others, but they will take care themselves.
yeah. There's good hospitals in India too, or no?
India is not like that. India actually they have a lot of importance. They have a lot of interest on others, not themselves.
Oh,
They
okay.
won't care themselves. They have a lot of personal interest on others. Yeah, yeah.
It's
Mohammed,
all
can you
right.
see here? Yeah.
Yes,
I just
S3 simple storage.
Yeah, I just would like to keep you more better examples. So for example, I'll show you here. Can you see here my screen?
Yeah, I could.
That's awesome. So here, so this is for suppose. So I'm going to create one folder here. Okay, S3 bucket. Okay. However, you created a bucket in Windows. This is actually you can consider this as a bucket. Okay, this is bucket. Okay, and here you see here inside of the bucket. Okay, you are inside of the bucket, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to keep here one small a text document, something kind of. Okay, this is okay, this is just name. Okay, here you created one folder, right? This folder you can consider it as a bucket. Okay, inside bucket there is one more object. Okay, this is just a file. You can consider this as an object. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, which means in S3 also, so this whatever the layer or the top layer is there, you can consider this as a bucket. Inside that bucket name will keep whatever the items like images, PDF files, Word documents, or Excel files, okay, or movies, or files, documents, confidential files, whatever it is there. We will keep inside this bucket. You can consider this bucket is a kind of wrapper. Understood?
Yeah.
This bucket, whatever the layer is there, this layer you can consider this as a wrapper. Inside the wrapper, for example, chocolate, right? Chocolate, there will be a wrapper inside. Externally, you can see the cover. That cover you can consider as a wrapper, right? Under wrapper, you will find the chocolate, kismis, kismis chocolates, any different
Yeah.
kind of chocolates, something like that. Whatever chocolate containing a chocolate inside, under wrapper there will be a chocolate. The same way, if wrapper you can consider as a S3 bucket, and chocolate you can consider as a object. Clear? Either it
Correct.
might be an image, either it might be a video, audio, document, etc. You can consider that as an object. That's it. So you cannot call that as a video, you cannot call that as a image, you cannot call that as a document, you cannot call that as Excel file. Okay, you should not call that as a original name, you should call that as a object. That is called as technical terminology. That is technical terminology, right?
Yes.
So you can ask me any doubt now.
Come again?
Just you can ask me any doubt. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
No, I get it. So it's basically like you're saying, like, all the stuff with the storage in there.
Yeah, awesome. So you same way in companies they'll keep their documents, their files, their code.
Yeah.
You understood? It depends upon complete requirement. It depends upon. For example, I'm running a company. Suppose what I have a requirement to keep my websites. Actually, I'm running a company. In that company, what we will do is we will create websites. For suppose our web developers, my developers will create websites. Okay, websites in the sense there will be a content in website, right? Okay, example I'll tell you here. Google. Okay, in this Google LK Cloud Tech, for suppose I'll type something here. I'll type like this. Okay, you see here, you see here, this is website. In my company, I'm running this website. Okay, okay. So I'm running with this website. I want to keep this images, this content, okay, all information, whatever information is there. Okay, I just all these are all images. Okay, this images, all these kind of images. If you want,
Yeah.
see, I just clicked on it. Okay, let me go back.
You just Googled that?
Sorry.
You Googled that?
Yes, it is in Google. Just see here.
Oh, you're in Google?
Yes, I'm in Google.
you're, famous. You're famous, man.
Oh my goodness.
I should
No,
get your
my.
autograph, man.
No, no. You see here, LK Cloud Tech.
Yeah.
Just search here, LK Cloud Tech. You'll see all the images.
Oh, so you do have a website. My cousin was asking if he has a website. I say no,
Yeah,
he
I
just has
do
a YouTube
have.
channel.
I do have website too. See, this is my
Okay.
website.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay, send me that link.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Man, always.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my website. All right. I hope you received. See this? These are all images. AWS image, Linux image, shell scripting image, Docker, Kubernetes. For example, I'm just running a company. So for one website, I just want to store my complete data, images, okay, videos, links, content, everything, all the content I would like to keep in this. Okay, you understood? I'd like to keep all the
Yeah.
content in my buckets. For suppose, okay, where is my bucket? Yeah, here. Okay, I just want to keep all videos, images, content, code. Okay, whatever. You can keep all your whatever requirement documents or required content or required code, whatever you want to keep, you can keep here and you can store in S3 bucket. That is the purpose of S3 bucket. Clear?
Yes.
Got it. That's the purpose.
Uh,
That's it. Yeah, go ahead,
So my
please.
question is, um, so when the company assign you with a project, that's um, the only thing you're gonna see in your bucket is your project, nothing else, right? Or the whole project with like developers and all their job too, or no, just mine.
No, 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 no. In company, you will have a certain role. Correct. For suppose
Yeah, I
now,
know that. But
for
in
suppose,
my bucket, I only will see mine, right?
yeah, you only because they will not allow you others. Okay, they will not allow you others buckets. Okay, others access. They will restrict you. Okay, you can see only your bucket. That is good question, Mohammed. I appreciate your question. Really, that is valid. Yes, you can see only your buckets. Clear?
Okay. And who gets the access? The project manager.
Exactly. You're right. You're right. It's
So I have to
precise.
give him full. So I have to give him full access or restricted access.
Restricted access because you are not a manager. You are not admin. Okay. So if you are admin, if you have that role,
Come
for
again?
suppose, if you have, for example, if you are a manager or if you are admin, okay, then you will get full access. For example, if you are a developer, okay, for suppose if you are a developer, so you will have restricted access. If you are a tester, you will have restricted access. For example, you are you are in a high level hierarchy, for suppose like manager or team lead, such kind of roles you will get full access. You understood?
But I know, but this is my AWS account. Only the only the project manager gets all the access or restricted access.
Project manager will get all the access, all the privileges.
all to my account, my everything.
Yes, yes,
But I have to create one for him, like we did.
yes, exactly.
Okay, so he has to make his own password, the whole thing. We did email, and he could access it. He can't just
Yes,
access with.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
got it, got it.
exactly. Yes. Okay. So manager does all the privileges, but he should be very much careful. Okay,
Why?
instead of, yeah, you should be very much careful, because if something happen, kind of, in the sense, any mess up, if anything mess up with any object or any kind of bucket, that will impact on the project. Okay, manager does not do such kind of things, but we should be very much cautious, should be very much
How we do that? Check it daily.
sorry.
Sorry, I was drinking water. So how I just check daily, right? What they're doing through your account?
Yeah, so this, I'll tell you, let me share my screen. Yeah. Just now I logged in root account, right? Okay. Root access. Correct? Just now I logged in through root account. Okay. This, suppose if this is a root account, you'll have all the privileges. Clear? See, I got bill $300. Okay, that's fine. I'll pay it later. So you see here, AWS DevOps account. Instead of this name, in organization, it has company name. You understood? Organization name will be displayed here. Clear?
Oh, good. So it'll change.
Yeah, exactly. So for example, you are working in somewhere. For suppose you are
Health,
working in
healthcare.
healthcare. For example, healthcare. You can name it. You can name it anything. For example, Amazon or some other companies. Okay, healthcare, any kind of healthcare related company. So that company name will be displayed here, because you logged in root access, which means if you log in root access, you will have all the access. This access will get only few people in the hierarchy level. For example, manager or vice president, a team lead, such kind of, if it is required only, they will provide you a root access. Otherwise you will have only restricted IAM access only. Identity access management. In this identity access management, they will add you as a user. Clear? So they thought
Yeah.
that you don't need to have all the privileges, all the access. Then they will add you as a user. Okay. They will add you as a user. Okay. Once if they add you as a user, if they want to allow you S3 access, they can allow you only S3 access. You understood? So if you are, for example, I'm your manager, Mohammed. Mohammed, you just imagine. So you are working AWS DevOps company, for suppose LKCloudTech company. Okay, I'm your manager. You just new joinee. Okay, so initially I don't want to give complete access to you. So then I'll add you here as a Mohammed. Okay, I will add you here, Mohammed. Where I'm adding in IAM, identity access management. Here I'm adding you Mohammed. Okay,
So
Mohammed.
who's adding me? The project manager.
Yeah, project manager will add you here because I'm
But
your
he's
project
adding
manager.
me. He's
Yes,
adding me in his AWS account.
yes, I'm your manager so far. So far, you can just imagine that Lokesh is your manager. Clear?
So I don't have to use my own.
No, no, you don't use your own AWS. Clear?
Oh, so
You
what I
will
do with mine?
No, no, you will not use your own account. You will have your, for example, you are working in LK Cloud Tech. For suppose you are working in LK Cloud Tech, LK Cloud Tech. This is your company so far. Just imagine. Okay. So far, you are working for this company. You understood? So far, so just you recently, today you just joined as a developer, okay, for suppose, or DevOps engineer, okay. You joined in this company, so then what happened? So Lokesh is your manager. I am your manager. So I will give IAM user account. Okay, I will allow you this EC2 only. I'm just allowing you only EC2 full access and S3 also. Okay, I'm just allowing you S3 access. You see here all related to S3. S3.
Yeah.
Can you able to see
So
here?
whatever the
Amazon,
whatever the full access.
yes, S3 full access. I'm just adding here S3 full access. Next, that's it. You will get these
And
two
that
access only. You will get EC2 access and you will get only S3 access. That's it. Except
so
this,
whatever the requirement.
yeah, whatever it is required. As per requirement
But
only,
this
they are allowing you for this services access only.
but as a AWS clouds develops, this is what I'm gonna be doing. EC2 and and S3.
Yeah, not only EC2, not only S3. So there are plenty services are there. Still you can learn it. Okay. So
No,
far,
no, I know.
yeah. So far you just learned only EC2, S3, and IAM. Just these three only you learn. But you have a lot of services also. But there might be chance. There might be chance to work on the other services also. Okay. Not only these, we do have more
Okay.
services. Okay. I'll show you
So
what are
my
the
question.
services
Okay.
we have.
My question is if I'm only so let's say if I'm wanting you to handle the project, how am I gonna give you the access?
Okay. For suppose you are asking me, you got some project for suppose, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So if you got some project, a manager will allow you some access, user access like this. Okay. Mohammed got one account, right?
Yeah,
So Mohammed will get one password and one ID. Okay. Mohammed has ID. This is a Mohammed ID. Clear? This is Mohammed ID. You will get this link. Clear? ARN IM 211 some kind of same similar kind of link you will get. You understood? Through which you can able
yeah.
to allow. Okay. Through which you can able to enter in your company organization, but in that company you will only access EC2 and you will only access S3 bucket. Clear? Except these two, you can't access anything any other. You understood?
So how are you gonna get it with the VPN? How are we gonna do this?
For example, you are in USA, right? You are in
And you.
you are in US region. Okay. So if you are in the US region, you no need any VPN so far because you are in the same region. But
I know, but if I give it
yeah,
to
yeah,
you, to
yeah.
hand.
Coming to me. For suppose if you shared with me your project. For suppose you shared with me your project. Okay. If that case we have to have Zoom. Okay. We can't get access your access in India or some other countries. Okay. I can't take direct access. Okay. I can't take direct access. Okay.
So we have to share the screen.
Yeah, you have to share the screen through
So I
Zoom.
have to be logged in all the time to share it with you. Is that true
Yeah,
or no?
that's the way only we have because US is completely restricted area, okay, because they won't allow you to access your projects. So that's the reason we have to find alternates to access it. That's it. Okay. Through
But
VPN,
do you know?
you'll be caught. Through VPN, I'll be caught. Through VPN, they will find
Oh, of course. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, some malfunctioning happening. Okay. Some other people, some other region people are accessing your project. They will get to know that because they are highly secured projects. Clear? So if I want to access that, I need to find Zoom or some other tools are there. I guess one age some kind of I don't know. I didn't remember much. Okay.
But there's a way you could do it, right?
Yeah, this is the way only. Only this is the way.
So how do people usually do it from here to India? How they're handling projects right
Oh
now?
my God, that's a big network, man. I don't know. I can't crack even. So that's a big network.
No.
Yeah, that's a big network, man. So they can do it because they are expertised. They are expertised to handle US projects.
So how are we gonna do it? You gonna find a way, or
Through Zoom itself, we can do. That's it.
then I have to be access. I have to be logged in all the time
You
until you
have
finish
to
the
you
project
have to
for me, right?
install Zoom first. Okay, you have to Zoom. You have to install the Zoom first. After that, if Zoom allowed, if that application will be allowed that system, so then it is easy for me too. Okay, so I can able to access your project. Clear?
My question is, I have to be logged in all the time.
Yeah, just keep logged in and no problem. Just one time login is enough. So remaining cases, I'm going to control your system, right?
Oh, okay.
So then no need
We
to,
could do
yeah, no need to be always be there. So let's
we
plan.
could do Team Viewer, right?
Yeah,
Can we use Team Viewer?
team viewer, I guess. Yeah, we can use, I guess. Team viewer also, I guess. It depends upon client laptop only. So you will get client laptop, right? if that
Yeah,
if that laptop does access what for example Zoom is there, TeamViewer is there, okay, some other tools are there, so we have to cross check with which tool is suitable. Okay, some people will does not allow Zoom, some people does not allow TeamViewers, some people some laptops will not allow if they're restricted, if they restrict these tools, so we have to find other way. Okay, got it.
yeah,
Yeah, if Zoom
yeah.
is allowed, no problem, we can do it.
We'll find a way.
Yeah, we'll find the way because that I think Mobin is very much expertised in that.
You think he'll help us?
Yeah, he will help. Why not? We should be very close to him. If he can, if you believe, he has to believe us. You have to believe him. So both must have a trust each other. Okay, then you both
Yeah,
must have communication each other. So then one can help other can help him, right? Both can help each other. So but patience is important, right? Anywhere. Okay, anywhere moment, not only here, not only in the learning, not only in the job, anywhere, all where, anywhere, patience is important. So let us wait. Okay. Also, if you can maintain some proper communication with anybody, definitely you will get help. Why not? Sometimes
okay.
money involved, but sometimes not. I'm sure.
That's fine. We'll take care of that.
Yeah. Yes. Because that guy has a lot of knowledge, man, to do all this kind of stuff. So he can do
Oh
that.
yeah.
Yeah, he can only do that because I know Mohammed long back. I have seen, but we are not much closer. We are not very much close. But I know him. But he can handle those kind of stuff only.
Okay. We'll talk when the project comes.
Yeah, yeah. So that guy has a lot of knowledge. Let's see how. I just need to know that how those guys are handling US projects. I'm not sure. Okay, but his expertise in that. All right, Mohammed, that's just keep it aside and let's go forward today. Okay,
Okay.
so can you share your screen once? Yeah, good. I can see your screen. That's awesome. Can you open AWS, your AWS account? Good.
Yep.
N7W73Z. Okay, good. Can you open S3 bucket now? Set. Okay, so yeah, create a bucket. There is a orange color button, so you can keep here bucket. Just try to read. Okay, while you are doing something, just try to go through step by step process. Okay, so first you need to check with bucket name. Okay, just create here Muhammad. Type here Muhammad bucket one hyphen. I mean minus bucket one Muhammad Bucket bucket one hyphen LK Cloud. That's it. I hope this name will take. Come down, scroll down. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Here I just mentioned yesterday. You need to enable ACL. Okay. ACL must be enabled. Access control list. Okay. The now permission you are allowing the permission bucket owner only have permissions. Okay, the second one object ownership must be bucket owner. Okay, not writer, just owner, keep the owner which means bucket permission has privileges. All the permission should have by owner only. Scroll down, and you have to give the public access. That's completely your requirement. Scroll up bit. Yeah, just need to disable that. Okay, you uncheck it. Yeah, so now which means block. So by default it will get by default public access. Okay, block the public access. By default it would be private. Okay, whenever you uncheck it, yeah, now it is private. You see the block public access settings through for this bucket. In the sense, whatever it is there, you just read it. Just before the check mark you see block all public access, which means public cannot able to read your bucket. Understood? So then
Yeah.
you need to uncheck this. If you want to give the public access, you need to uncheck it. You need to uncheck it. Yeah, right. So you need to acknowledge it now. So whenever you keep it is in public, it will ask acknowledgement. Okay, and scroll down more. Yeah, that's enough, I guess. Just keep it as usual. Just create a bucket. Yeah, it got created. Okay, so this is your bucket, and go inside, click on that blue color one, Muhammad bucket one LK Cloud. Yeah. So now you are inside the bucket. You understood? Now
Yeah.
try to upload something, one image, any image. Okay. Try to upload a sample image. Add files. There is a button, add file and add folder. Yes. Click on that. Yeah. Go to images or somewhere, Google it and download some image. Downloads, you find an image. Don't keep any confidential information. Okay. Just normal, a black, just black screenshot is there, right? Yeah, you can white screenshot, blocks, black screenshot, anything. Yes, yes. So it got uploaded, right? So this is, we can call it as a object. We can call this as object. Okay, whatever you upload now, that, wait, so whatever you upload, that whatever image or video or document or PDF, any file, it doesn't matter the file type, but whatever the file is type is there, that type, so that whatever files or whatever it is there, that you can consider it as a object. Inside the bucket, whatever you keep, that you can call it as object. This is very technically, you should be very much strong in technical terminology. Whatever you keep inside the bucket, that can call it as a object. Can you scroll down? Scroll down more. Yeah, upload. Now you need to, oh, wait. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, go inside bucket again. Just click on that bucket.
Where is it?
Yeah, that is a bucket. Yes, that is a bucket. Click on. Yeah, so that is object. Can you check mark it? Can you check mark it? Yes. Yeah. Go to permissions. There is a permissions, right? Above you can see objects, metadata. Yeah. This is very dead easy, man. Right? Scroll down bit by bit. Yeah, scroll down bit by bit. Yes. Scroll down. Yeah. Here. Access control is ACL. Edit it. Edit. So whenever you want to change the permissions, you can see here, everyone is actually disabled. Clear? Just check mark it. Second one, everyone, public access, you must check it. Yeah. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. No need all those stuff. Only that is enough. That is enough. Yeah. So now authenticated user groups not required because we don't have a group so far. Remove that. The third one, remove that. Yeah, no need. So far we don't have any groups yet. Okay, just acknowledge it. Check mark. Acknowledge. Yes. Scroll down more and save. Save. Okay, that's awesome. And go to buckets again. Go to buckets. Yes, great. Click on that bucket. Sorry. Go back one step. Click on that object. What I've called, just before I called what is object. Whatever you uploaded, that you can call it as object. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just click on that. Yeah. So now again click on the screenshot. Whatever object, that just object. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, click on that. Yes. Now. Now you see all the specifications where the object related information you got. You see object URL. Can you see that? You can see the object URL.
Yeah. Click on it.
Yeah, copy that. Copy that. Just copy that symbol. That. Yeah. What happened? It is still restricted. Okay, access denied. So then what happened is we have to do the changes. Okay, go to bucket, goes one step back. So still we did not allow permissions. So let us go back to permissions. There is a permission. Let's say, yeah, no, yeah, that's the one. Edit, edit. Yeah, that's awesome. Can you make this read? Yes, and acknowledge it. So just before this we have actually enabled, that is for bucket level. This is for object level. Now save this. Save this. Now try to access the URL is there, right? Scroll up. Yeah, yeah. There is a URL, object URL. Yes, yes. You see this, right? Screenshot. You see
Yeah.
this now, all right? So earlier you could not see that because the permission got denied. You did not allow that. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is how we can create the bucket and we can access the bucket. You understood?
Yeah.
This is how we can able to store our data, documents, images, code. You can also keep your code here in the form of files. Understood? In the form of
Yeah.
objects. So far, this is good enough for you today. So let's take
Yeah.
next steps. We'll take tomorrow. Okay. You are doing awesome job, man. I really appreciate your efforts and your hard work, man. Really, you are doing very well. But if you do more concentration, you can do more better than this.
Yeah.
Really, really, you are working so hard and you are working to very good.
Thanks.
So that's it, Mohammed, for today. So tomorrow,
Okay.
let's continue same. So whatever remaining permissions, versions, there are a lot of stuff is there, but whatever you need, that much only I can teach you. All right. But don't worry, always for lifetime I'll be available. If you get any doubt, you can come to me. You can ask me related to AWS. Don't worry about that. Got it?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, man. Thanks for your time. Please have a good sleep and we'll connect
All
tomorrow.
right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, man.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.